This is all you need to earn money while browsing the web. Since I've used this app for 2 years, I've made nearly $2,000 just by searching and browsing and creating content online for you guys all to watch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Brave, become a verified publisher so you can start making money while you browse the internet. Hey guys, my name's Tom, and if you are new to the channel, be sure you smash subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's jump right into it. You're here because you want to be able to make money while you surf the web. You can do that on both Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm going to show you guys how. The first thing we're going to do is go to brave.com/Tom198. That's my reference code. By you signing up, you should be able to, as long as the promotion's still running, receive $5 in free BAT tokens. So instantly, just by downloading, you're going to get free money. Now, I've been using Brave for the better part of 2 years, and I can guarantee you that $5 is only just the start. So once we go to brave.com/Tom198, you'll see this page right here. And right from there, we can download Brave, and it's going to recognize your operating system, whether you're Windows 64-bit, Windows 32, Mac, or like I said, Linux. And once you have it, open it up. And then the next website we're going to be going to is this one. This is the Brave Verified Publisher page. So all we have to do here is sign up, and we're going to put in an email that we're going to be using to become a verified publisher. Then agree to Brave's terms of service, and let's get started. You'll then be sent an email verifying the email that you used to sign up, and that email will look like this. All we're doing right here is verifying that this is the email that we're going to be using to sign up and log into our Brave rewards. Put in our name and sign up. I always suggest two-factor authentication. And here we are. This is our Brave Rewards page. This is a page you're definitely going to want to bookmark just so you can log in the future. There, where you log in the future, it'll have you put in that email that you registered with. You'll then get another email that you'll have to click on for a link. There's not a regular sign-in for Brave Rewards, but here we are. So the next thing we're going to want to do is link our Upholds account. If you guys don't have one, I'll also throw a link in the description below for you to sign up. We're not going to walk through the steps to make one, but it is fairly easy, and I have faith in you. You'll be able to figure it out. So let's just connect our Uphold account. I'm just going to log in. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add our channel so we can become a verified publisher. So obviously you can do this with a website, a YouTube channel, a Twitch channel, a Twitter, a Vimeo, or even a Reddit account. Today we're only going to do it with a new YouTube channel. And all we do is sign in with our Google account that is linked to a YouTube channel, allow access, and there we are. We are now ready to start promoting Brave on our channel or on our publications to start earning basic attention tokens. If you decide to push to an outlet to try to get signups via referral links, you can do so right here. Here it says the Brave referral program will get you up to $7.50 based on the referral that you sign up. This is all based on a group and the location that the person signs up from. For more information on that, I'll also throw a link in the description below. There's a ton of info to go over on where somebody signs up, what they're worth as far as a sign up. Now let me show you how to set up ads with the Brave browser. So now that we're set up as a verified publisher, we now have access for people to give us tokens. They're allowing us to send those tokens, i.e. currency or money, directly to our Uphold account. That's how we're going to make money and transfer money back and forth to accounts. To earn money for ourselves, we're going to use ads. So right here on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see that it says learn more about Brave Rewards. We're going to click that, and it's going to show us all of our options and settings for advertisement and viewing. So right here are our Brave Rewards settings. There we can turn and toggle on and off our Brave Rewards as well as the ads displayed. Over here is the settings to show how many we can see an hour. This is where we want to set the max. Right now, the max for Brave Rewards is 5 ads an hour. Ads will show up and they'll look like this. Once you see that, all you have to do is click or show the ad, and this is on macOS. It'll bring you to a page. Once the page loads, that counts as an advertisement view, and congratulations. You just earned basic attention tokens, i.e. money, i.e. currency, in your own account. You can then view that account on a new page showing how many basic attention tokens or currency you have accumulated in your advertisement viewing. If you're on Windows, no worries. An ad will look like this. Simply click it, it'll refresh to a new page Once the page is loaded, you did it again. Way to go. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, you just earned money. That money is obviously accumulated on that main page that we talked about. It'll show right there. And then back in your settings, it'll tell you the date that that currency or money or basic attention tokens will be released to you. Within these settings, you can set up things to help other creators like an auto contribute, a breakdown of your monthly contributions, or just basic tips that you've sent to people. You can do this on Reddit, on Twitter, on YouTube, anywhere where there is a Brave verified publisher. We can check this by going up to the Brave icon on the top of our search bar, and you'll see that there's a little blue check mark. That means that this person, that's me, is a Brave verified publisher. There, any of the tips that you send them can be logged and categorized and sent directly to them at the end of the month. All you have to do for a tip is click send a tip. It'll give you the option of 5, 10, 20 basic attention tokens that you can tip this creator. Brave just recently also added a place for you to redeem your basic attention tokens for gift cards. For more information on that, check the links in the description below. This is all you need to earn money while browsing the web. Since I've used this app for 2 years, I've made nearly $2,000 just by searching and browsing and creating content online for you guys all to watch. If this video has helped guide you in the right direction to start making money while browsing the web, be sure you guys subscribe and watch an older video that I made on Brave. That's it for me. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.